Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your Wix password. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of the page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. And if you go here to the top right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then here, you're going to find your name, your email address, and address. You're going to find account settings. Go ahead and click on account settings. And then right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Wix account. And here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all these sections: account settings, domains, business email, vouchers, billing history, premium subscriptions, and so on. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is go to account settings. And then once you do that, here you're going to find your account infos. And under it, you're going to find login info. So here you're going to find your account email. You can change it. And here under it, you're going to find password. So if you want to edit or change your password, just click on edit password. And then what you need to do, guys, right here is enter your current password you're using right now. And then here, add your new password. As you can see, guys, it should have, or it's better to have upper and lower case letters, symbols, and a longer password. Go ahead, add your new password, and then confirm it. And once you do that, just click on save, and then you're going to be good to go. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.